Hello everybody and welcome. My name is Eric and today I'm going to be reviewing a 4-in-1 electric shaver from Kensen. Let's get to it. As I do customarily, I usually like to put some of the pictures that the retailers put in their Amazon store, which they do a pretty good job, a pretty decent job at explaining what this device is all about. However, I'm going to go over every single gadget with details. I'm also going to try it out. I'm going to go to the restroom and clear my beard because I allow my beard and my hair and my head to grow so I can actually try this. I'm going to shave my head with the 3-bladed shavers. I'm gonna trim my beard, see if I can clean my face with the little brush and clean my nose with the nose clippers. So anyway, let's get to that. Let's go to the unboxing and open it all up. All right, so let's start looking at the inside of the contents of the box. So you can open this right here. I find unboxings to be relaxing, opening the packages and all that. I always enjoy them. That's one of the reasons why I do this, because I like Unbox Therapy, that YouTuber, and others, and KBHD. They do unboxings, and they're like, I don't know. I really enjoy this. It's like it gives you an idea what the product is about. It's kind of relaxing. It's kind of nice. All right, so let's go ahead and see what we got inside. There we go. Put this out of the way. Here we go. Take this box out. So this must be the manual. Oh, it comes with the cover. Okay, got it. Huh. Very well protected, actually. That's nice. So this must be definitely the manual. We got here. This is the USB charging cord. You can use a charging brick, a battery backup system you have, or your laptop to plug it in. Let's put this to the side. It comes with a little bag for, so this is to put all the accessories in. Very nice, very nice. Nice suede. We have here, a little brush for cleaning. I know that. To the side, this must be the clean brush. This is to clean your pores, guys. It's very nice. Who said the ladies are the only ones that can use this, huh? We can use it too. Get ourselves all pretty looking, huh? Put this to the side. This must be the nose clipper head. Yep, that definitely is the clipper head for the nose. Put it to the side. I apologize for the sound of the airplane. My home is currently being remodeled, so my usual tabletop is not for display at the moment. So this is the beard trimmer. Very nice. So I'm assuming that this is the clippers themselves, and it comes with the main shaver itself with the 3 heads. Let's see. Yep. Oh, it comes with a nice cover too. Ooh. Wow, this is actually nice. It's fancy. Got it. Okay. Let me see. Do we have any battery? Yes, we do. We got back 61%. That should be enough for today's review. That is pretty. I'm gonna try this on my head because I'm not gonna trim my beard completely, but my head is up for grabs. So I'm gonna see if this will shave my head. Does it swivel? Let me turn it off. Does it? Oh yes, it moves. So it contours to the surface of your face and your skull. I like that. I wonder if this removes like so. Let's see. Ah, yes it does. It pops out. So it's got a triangular knob inside and kind of fits into the slot. Yep, that's pretty simple and straightforward. I like that. Oh, no, wait. See, this got a little notch right there. You see that little line? That little line must align with that slot in there. So if we find the right position, there we go. Yep, that's how it works. Yes, looking pretty good so far. I like it. I want to try one more head. Let's see. I want to try this one. This is the trimmer, the beard trimmer. Let's see. There we go. And you can trim like so. Oh, I'm looking forward to try this so bad. Cool. Excellent. All right. So now that I'm done with the unboxing, let's go to the restroom and start shaving my face and my skull. Okay, everybody. So here's my plan. What I'm gonna do first, I'm gonna use the cleansing water, the one that cleans the pores. See, I don't have much surface in my face to actually clean, but my scalp is free game, to be honest, because I shave it. So I gotta first clean my scalp with this one. Let's see. I'm sure it'll create some lather. Oh, it spins. That's how it cleans it. Check it out. It spins. Oh, nice. All right, so let me go ahead and get it wet. Put a little bit of soap. Get my head wet a little bit. I'm gonna fast forward this, okay? It's gonna get fast forwarded because otherwise I'll bore you. Okay, so make sure I'm completely dry because I'm gonna use the 3 blades to shave my head with it. Okay, it does clean. Can I be honest? It's not cleansing, it's an experience. I know it sounds cliche and exaggerated, but that was nice. It massages your scalp. I enjoyed it. I enjoyed it. So here's my next thing I'm going to do. I'm going to put in the 3 blades. One thing I've noticed, like, this thing pops up. Check it out. See? It's amazing. So whenever you want to clean it, for example, you just pop it up from here. Boop. Ready to be cleansed. I like that. I wonder, I'm going to really dry my head and make sure it's completely dry. 1 second. Before I fast forward this footage, first, I want to see if it works. I mean, I want you guys to look at the hair on my head. See, it's kind of like a cluster, you know. It's kind of close because I usually shave it every week, so I don't let it go too much. But let's see if this works. Okay, so far it's not pulling my hair. Okay. Oh, well, hello. Hey. Hey. See, my biggest fear is it going to pull my hair? It's not pulling my hair. It's shaving it. It's shaving it. Look. Look, it's smooth. Unbelievable. All right, now I'm going to fast forward the footage, okay? Here you go. I cannot complete. I just finished shaving my entire head. Let me show you guys all the hair that I took out. 1 second. See all the hair? Right there. Wait, let me get the camera right. There we go. That's a lot of hair. And this can be washed right after you're done. Check it out. This is IP6 or IP7 water rating. That is pretty neat. Close it back up. You're back in business. Not too bad. All right, so right now, this was quite effective, very effective actually. This is going to replace me shaving my head, not having to use a razor and making a mess with the shaving cream and everything. I think that's pretty neat. That is pretty neat. I'm gonna use the trim, the beard trimmer, because even though I shaved my head, these edges need to be adjusted. Bada bam. Ah, this is really neat. This is cool. Bam. Okay, so that's adjusted. I'm not going to clean my beard. I'm just gonna clean this part down here. I might fast forward this a little bit. I'm groomed. I'm fully groomed, and I don't feel the strain that I usually put on my scalp by using the razor. That's why I only shave about once a week because I have a sensitive scalp. But not with this. Not with this, I won't. This is awesome. All right, so the last one I'm gonna check is the nose trimmer. If it's just like the shaver, this should be pretty seamless as well. Okay. This should be quick. Ah! I'm kidding. It's not pulling hairs. I got hair in my ears. This is excellent. Oh, this is great. All right, now let's go to the table and get my final thoughts of it all. So far, it's amazing. Well, guys, here are my final thoughts of this Kensen shaver, electric shaver. It did the job better than I expected. I was not expecting these 3 heads to literally replace me using razors for shaving my head. It literally shaved my head. I mean, that's impressive. I really enjoy that. And like I mentioned, the little brush that cleans, it's not cleaning, it's an experience. That's a very cliche point, but it is true. It is really an experience. So guys, I want to thank you so much for watching. I have to say, this is a good product. Good job for the folks at Kensen, and thank you for the folks at Kensen sending this, because it's literally replaced my razors to shave my head. Thank you for that. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Down in the description below, I'm going to put links to this and the Kensen store. See you guys on the next one. Later.